What is up? It is your girl, Rabbie K. Whew, she's a bit of a stinker today. I got my braces adjusted today and I wanted to do a little update for you guys, as well as showing you how I maintain my oral hygiene. So this video today is going to be all about my adjustment, my update, and then I will show you guys how I brush after I eat, because I just ate some sushi and some watermelon and a cookie and I decided I probably need to brush my teeth now. So if you guys want to see how I maintain my oral hygiene and want to know about my braces update, then keep on watching. So if you are looking closely at my mouth, you'll notice that I have an elastic in, which means yay, it's back. In my last video I had elastics, and then the next adjustment, which was 6 weeks later, they said that I wasn't going to need them anymore, so I was like hell to the yes, because they're so annoying. They don't necessarily hurt or anything, and having to remember to put them in all the time, and if you forget, you screw it up, like ugh, it's so annoying. So yes, today I went in and got my adjustment done, and I apparently this side is good, but this side is not, so I have to wear elastics for the next 6 weeks on one side. I think the single elastic is probably way more uncomfortable than having both, I guess, because when you have both it kind of just like holds them nice and tight and that's all good. But with on the left side I feel like I'm constantly like being pulled that way, I guess. I don't know, it really is not my favorite thing in the world, but I decided to go colorful for my elastics this time instead of boring old clear, because I thought, why not have fun with it? I'm like over halfway through now, so I might as well just like soak it up while it lasts, you know? Here is a overview of how they're looking. Oh, jaw popped. I found it really interesting how, like, okay, so you can see, I'm sure, the wisdom tooth in the very back corner. Before I got my braces, all of my teeth were straight, and as in like they were straight aligning with the wisdom tooth, and now it's so far back. How crazy is that? And I wasn't born with a wisdom tooth on that side, so maybe that's why the right side like aligned better and the left side didn't. Like maybe the bone was not as used to it or something, but yeah. Crazy. I always find it really funny when they're taking the O-rings off and they like rested their finger above your lip, so you're just sitting there like, how much longer is their duck? I'm a mess, I know. Anyway, so that's how they're going. I have to have my elastics for the next 6 weeks just on the left-hand side. And as I said, I am post snacky, lunchy, foodie. So I am going to show you guys how I clean my teeth during the middle of the day and putting my elastics back on. Well, welcome to the bathroom. So we've got our toothpaste. Oh my god, it's like a tutorial. So now today we're going to use the McLean's toothpaste and my severely angry Colgate brush, which is that's only a relatively new brush. You go through so many toothbrushes when you are in braces because of the amount of like, well, it's rubbing against metal, right? So yeah, this is like not that old, like it obviously needs to be replaced still very soon, but real and upfront with you guys. So we'll get some toothy paste and let's get brushing. Oh, this is hot. So after we've done the initial brush, that's when we get these little guys called Pixters. I like to use these after I've eaten or that kind of thing, rather than going through like a full floss routine, because these get in between your teeth enough, you know what I mean? So yeah, just shove them straight in. Oops, I'm bleeding. Sick. Yuck. Bottom ones are like way tighter than the top, so they're a little bit trickier to get in. Super gross, but you can see like how much extra stuff comes out, so it's very important to get in between those teethy pegs. And the bleeding obviously was just quick because I obviously like nicked the gum with the metal, but she clean, bae. So now for the final touch, I love that I got my elastics back. I don't love that I got them back, but I decided to go for colourful elastics because A, it's mask time, and B, like, why not just go crazy, you know? Let's go green, like fluoro, insane, cray cray. Ooh. And I only have to wear it on the one side this time. So just like that, that is as simple as the oral hygiene of my day goes, as far as after a meal, because you've got to brush your teeth 3 times a day. Nighttime routine is obviously a lot more intense than daytime routine. So daytime routine is literally just brush and like get like general foods out. So whereas nighttime is when you do all the hardcore-y stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd take you guys on a little journey with me. If you like this video and you like me, then you know what to do, my friends. You need to like, comment, subscribe, do all the buzzwords, click the bell, press the buttons, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Much love. Bye.